Hi, my name is Mark, the guitar guy, and I am going to try and teach you this song in under 3 minutes. It's a song by B52's called Planet Clear. It goes like this. You might have heard that riff used in a lot of different things. It's super cool. It's also part of Blues Brothers and a few other things as well. Let's get right down into it. All you need is a guitar. You need one string, the top string hopefully, the big bass string. And if you play with a pick, you can. If you've never played guitar before, you probably just want to play with your thumb. Let's have a crack at it straight away. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do 2 notes on the top string. Okay, this is all on one string, so that'll be 0, 0. Then we're going to go 2nd fret to 0, so that would be 0, 0, 2, 0. Simple as that. Then we're going to go 3, 0, 5, 3. That's the whole riff. Good luck, see you later. No, a little bit more. 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5, 3 is the riff. And see, I'm doing that with one finger. I'm assuming you've never played guitar before. If you played guitar before, you'd have one finger per fret and you'd maybe use a guitar pick or something like that as well. So let's go back through that one more time. 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5, 3. And doesn't matter what finger you use for that, but that's all you need to do. Once you've got that, just do it slowly. And then repeat it, starting with the 2 zeros. I did it wrong there. 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. And you can get as fast as you want with that. Super cool song. So there we have it, another cool riff. You can go and impress those friends of yours at a party straight away. If you like the way I teach guitar, my name's Mark the Guitar Guy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and come and check me out at jamrama.com if you want to learn how to play guitar like a boss. Otherwise, we'll see you again soon. Catch you later.